Jai Gurudev students. In our last lecture of English language, we had covered the topic noun in detail. We have done 5 kinds of noun, that is proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Next we had done gender, that is masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. Then we had done plural, singular plural, also known as numbers. In singular plural we have seen different rules. How to make plural by adding s, es, ies, ves. Some plural cannot change, some plural are always plural, some plural are singular, used as singular plural same. This we had seen in our last lecture, and today we are going to start our next part of a speech, that is adverb. Let us see adverbs, definition, kinds and formation. First of all, we will see definition. Student, are you able to see two pictures? Now the first picture, it is written, can't you sing softly and studying? Here the girl is saying to the bird that can't you sing softly, because I am studying, I am getting disturbed of you. In second picture you are able to see, I have searched everywhere, I can't find my notebook. The boy is searching his notebook everywhere but he is not able to find. Now let's see another. Now the third example, the old man shouted angrily. How is shouting? Angrily. The dancer moves gracefully. How the dancer is moving gracefully. Now in all the sentence, see one thing. In the first sentence, action is done, that is singing. A bird is singing. But how the bird should sing? Softly. The boy is doing some work, he is searching. Search is a verb, but how he is doing? Everywhere he has done this. Now the old man is shouting, and the way of shouting is angrily. The dancer is moving, she is doing the dance, so she is moving. But how she is moving? Gracefully. So we have seen the words softly, everywhere, angrily, gracefully. These are adverbs. Adverb. An adverb is a word which tells us more about the verb. Action means verb, action. Singing, dancing, playing, cooking, writing, reading, these are verbs. But how the verb was done, how the action was done. So, adverb tells us more about the verb. For example, the dancer moves gracefully. Dancer is moving, but how she is moving? Gracefully. They are talking politely. They are talking. Talking is verb, but how they are talking? Politely. A baby walks slowly. Baby is walking, but how the baby is walking? Slowly. Next is sit quietly in the class. Sitting is an action, but how we have to sit? Quietly. Next is you can buy books cheaply at the store. How we are going to buy these books? Cheaply. So these are adverbs. Gracefully, politely, slowly, quietly, cheaply. Now we come to know that the verb is done, action is done. But how the action is done? Adverbs tells us that. Adverb tells us more about the verb. Now next, let us see kinds of adverb. Now there are 3 kinds of adverb. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. 3 kinds of adverb. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. Let us see this. Now in detail we are going to study one by one. First is adverb of manner. Now the definition. An adverb of manner tells us how something was done. The work was done. We have seen that how the work was done. Now in this, the manner it is going to show you how something was done. For example, the old man shouted, but how he shouted? Angrily. The stars shone. How the stars are showing? Brightly. He prepared well and answered all the questions correctly. How he had answered? Correctly. Radhika dressed beautifully for a marriage party. How she dressed? Beautifully. Our army fought bravely in 1970. How our army fought? Bravely. So this tells us how something was done, and this is known as adverb of manner. Now let's see the second one. That is adverb of place. An adverb of place tells us where something happened. Not a place like place doesn't mean that hospital or buildings or you say school, market. No. Place means where the verb was done, where the action was done. That was the place. Where something happened. I went there looking for you. Where I went? There. It is raining. Raining is going on. Rain is going on. But where? Outside. It is raining outside. So outside is a place. There is greenery everywhere. What is there? Greenery. It tells us where something happened. Greenery everywhere. The children are playing. Where the children are playing? Upstairs. My mother is going abroad to meet my sister. Where mother is going? Abroad. So this adverb of place tells you where something happened. Let us move on to our third one. Adverb of time. Now time doesn't mean 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Okay. An adverb of time tells us when something happens. We have seen an adverb of manner, adverb of manner, how the work is going on. Adverb of place, where it is going on. Now when something happens. So time. Sudesh arrived late. There is no time that is 1 or 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. It is written late. Sudesh arrived late. I reached early for the holy celebration. Early. He will come tomorrow. When he is going to come? Tomorrow. Jai came to visit yesterday. When Jai came? Yesterday. We will reach home soon. When we are going to reach home? Soon. So these all words, late, early, tomorrow, yesterday, soon, tells us when something happens. Now we have seen adverb of manner, adverb of place and adverb of time. Now we are going to see how we are going to make adverb. This is formation of adverb. Adverbs are formed by adding ly or illy. Okay? By adding ly or by adding illy, we can make adverb. For example, it's very simple. Sad, sadly. Quick, quickly. Nice, nicely. Brave, bravely. Safe, safely. Clear, clearly. Sweet, sweetly. Noise, noisily. Merry, merrily. Happy, happily. Angry, angrily. Greedy, greedily. Busy, busily. Easy, easily. So from this we come to know that adverbs can be formed by adding ly or illy. These are the examples. Now we have learned what is adverb. So let us do assignment also. Fill in the blanks using adverb. Words are given here. Adverbs are given to you. Sadly, angrily, tiredly, proudly, greedily, suddenly, noisily, swiftly. Now you have to write the proper adverb in proper blank. Okay, this is your assignment. Now one more assignment you are going to do. Fill in the blanks with correct option. Now two words are given here. Manu smiled. Happy, happily. So you have to choose the correct one. The little boys ran fastly on the field. Now, one important thing I want to tell you, that we never use ly with fast. Okay.